Okay, let's convert this to a decimal. So 5/6 needs to be changed into a decimal by division. The first number always makes it inside the house. The last number gets stuck outside. Just also remember 5 out of 6 is less than 1 whole. So if you got an answer that was bigger than 1, chances are you had these in the wrong spot, right? So this should definitely be a decimal that's less than 1. Okay, so we can't do 6 into 5, but we're going to add a decimal and a 0, and now we can. 6 goes into 50 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. I subtract 50, take away 48 is 2. And I need to keep going. So I put up another 0 and bring it on down. 6 goes into 20 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18, and I subtract 20 minus 18 is 2. That seems familiar. I swear I've done this before. 6 into 20 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Gosh, what's going to keep on happening? I'm going to keep on getting a 3. It's going to keep on going and going. So when I write it as a decimal, that bar needs to go just over that 3. Okay, for part B, we're going to change this into a fraction. So I'm going to let this equal x, so 0.23, and I'm just going to kind of write a few digits out a little bit. And I ask myself, how many digits are repeating? Well, I've got 2, the 2 and the 3. So that means I need to multiply that by 100 because 100 has 2 zeros. The 2 zeros match the 2 digits that are repeating. When I do that, that means when I multiply by 100, I move the decimal twice. So I now have 23.232323 on and on and on. So I'm going to just line up my decimal so it's 23 point and then all that mess here. Okay, at this point I subtract my equations. So 100x take away an x is 99x. When I come over here, all the stuff after the decimal, they all go away and I'm left with 23. At this point, you're at a one-step equation. How do you get rid of this 99? You divide both sides by 99. That goes away and we're left with the fraction 23/99. There is no common factor, so that's the answer, 23/99.